Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about why the templates you created in Business Central does not work. The template I'm talking about include item template, vendor template, and customer template. So this is a Acronis demo database. If we go to my item template, I could see I have two item templates here. And in theory, on the item list, if I click on new, it will pop up those two templates. You could see it does it. And also same for the vendor. So if I go to my vendor templates, and I could see there are two templates, vendor company, vendor person. If I go to my vendor list and then click on new, it will pop up those two templates. And same for the customer. So customer template, if you created a customer template for the company type of customer and person type of the customer, you want to, when you create a new customer, then click on new from the customer list, you want those two templates to populate. However, after I click on new from the customer list, you could see it did not populate those two templates, but it worked for item template and vendor template. So what is causing this? And so actually where you can go to find out which is prevent the template to work is you can go to the event subscriptions. So that is with a page ID 9510. If you go to this page, and what you need to check if you have any on and after trigger for the customer table, item table, or vendor table. So in this case, I'm looking for the customer table, which is 18. Let's just search for this. So if we just filter by this event publisher object ID 18, and then you could see there's some on after trigger. So this on after trigger actually is what is causing on after modify customer, on after delete, rename, all these triggers, because you have some customer on after delete, all these different triggers which could cause your issue because you may have some customization or some extension installed in your Business Central environment, which is modifying the behavior for these triggers, which could cause the template does not work. If you go to 27, if you search 27, you see I have nothing. And if you search 27 is the item table, 23 is the vendor table. So there's nothing. So that's just remove, clear this, and just search 20. Oh, actually we do have some of we do have the object for the vendor table here. And but if you just filter this, and I guess none of these after modify, I guess none of these triggers. If you have if it doesn't work, for the template doesn't work, then you can go here, go to the event subscription to see if which trigger here, which subscriber is potentially modified behavior when creating the customer. But since my vendor template works, so even I can find there's some event subscribing to this table, then it may not work. It may not. We do not need to look into it. So let me remove this filter again, and then filter the item. We also have some subscriber to the item table. But since the item template work, I don't need to investigate. It's only for the customer. If it doesn't work, then you need to go here and look at any subscriber could potentially modify the customer create behavior. So usually that's because you have some customization or extension installed to modify that behavior. Okay, so I hope this will save you some time, because you will think once you create a template, then the behavior should be consistent for item, vendor, and customer, but sometimes it didn't work for one of them. Then what you need to investigate is that event subscription. You go to that event subscription page 9510, and then look for those subscribers with potentially modified behavior. Okay, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.